Seasoned actress Charo Santos shared what she realized after Kapamilya action star Coco Martin offered her to be part of his series. As an actress, Charo has done remarkable acting projects throughout her career. Her acting caliber brought her recognition and awards, and she became a respected figure in the entertainment industry. Aside from being a well-respected actress, Charo is also admired for how she managed other talents and shows as a former ABS-CBN executive. Charo is also known as the iconic host of the Kapamilya drama anthology Maalaala Mo Kaya, which aired for 3 decades. However, in 2022, MMK finally bid goodbye. This saddened many fans and many artists who became part of the Kapamilya drama anthology. With that, showbiz fans anticipated that Charo Santos was taking a break in showbiz. She would just do acting projects at a time. However, she joined the Ang Probinsyano cast. In a recent interview teaser that the Philippine Star Entertainment writer Dolly Ann Carvajal shared, Charo mentioned the offer she got from Coco Martin years ago. The award-winning actress shared that she was thinking of retiring, but she could not refuse the offer that Coco had for her. Then, Charo realized something from that. When I retired and Coco Martin offered me to be part of his series, I could not say no. It made me realize that you never really retire from work that you love to do, the seasoned actress said. After Ang Probinsyano, Charo was also included in Coco's current Kapamilya primetime series Batang Quiapo. Meanwhile, Charo Santos has an upcoming project with Kapuso primetime king Dingdong Dantes. In a recent interview, Dingdong gushed over the fact that he will share the same frame with the seasoned actress. The Kapuso actor shared that he admired the work ethic of the seasoned actress.